Here's an update on the Yamaha G2 project. We painted it, built a brush bar, put some new tires on it, seat. The fuel tank didn't work so well, so we added a gravity feed tank. And let me see if I can do this here. The gravity feed tank back there runs alongside into the fuel pump, and then the fuel pump goes to the carburetor so it works properly again. It still backfires a little bit without the choke on at least halfway, but now we have a fuel supply. But that's the $200 Project G2 golf cart. I'll update everyone when it gets a little nicer.